Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today we will present about our project, which is developing a website about elderly care from Islamic perspective. This presentation will be delivered by Khairul Badrie bin Abdul Latiff 1172090, Muhammad Amin bin Abdullah SABRI 1172092, and Muhammad IZZUDDIN bin AGIMAN alias AZMAN 1172091. For the introduction of these projects nowadays most people do not aware and ignore about the elderly care that should be important to their parents. There are a few of elderly people who have been neglected or abused in their life. In a systematic review concerning the prevalence of elder mistreatment, researchers conclude that about 20% of all dependent older adults suffer from neglect. Therefore, our group was planning to develop an Islamic website about the topic of elderly care. We realized that website can be the platform to give an expose and motivation to the community. Our three objectives of running this project are to design an interesting website on care of the elderly from an Islamic perspective, to identify the appropriate or suitable contents can be included in this informative website, to develop an effective informative website that contains the topic about elderly care from an Islamic perspective.
The target user of our project is expected to be coming from the Muslims community, especially the youngster, to use our website. We also hope that someone who does not know or realize about the importance of caring for the elderly should use our website. We choose the youngster users because the case of abuse to the elderly that occur today are more coming from the youngster. For example, about 500,000 allegations of elder violence come to the US alone worldwide, with millions more unreported incidents which the perpetrator is from the son of the elderly himself. The use of text, font and language in our website. We have used the standard text size and font type called Times New Roman as our main font. In order to create a good and suitable visual, the bigger size and italics in the text is used for eye-catching design for headline and title. Besides, the color of text that used in this website is almost all black except on the home page. The arrangement of the text is based on their explanation, with placing the title or headline on top of the page and providing the picture near the text so the user be able to imagine the situation while reading the text. The language used in this website is English language.
Next, menu and icon. Menu is the choice of operation or service offered on the screen. It gives an option to user to select what kind of service that it want to choose with using the pointer. According to website, we have placed the menu on top of the home page. It will make user to understand and know that what type of menu have been provided. The menu has content about our website title and tagline at the top left side of the page, and some of the website functions such as home, definition, Islamic perspective, abuse of the elderly, and suggestion. Next, the icon. Icons are simple images used in context to communicate something. They are easily recognized and easy to remember. As for the icon that used in this website, it has provided a like and not like icon at the end of the information so that user can tell their opinion whether they like and agree about the information or not.
Feedback and usability. The feedback section will be available on suggestion page, which containing the link of Google form that can bring user to the questionnaire in order to gather the information from the respondent. It will cover about the usability and learner, that's mean how familiar user with the website. There are among 50 respondents have give feedback on our website, as the result that 72% of them has agreed that the performance of our website is excellent. 86% of the respondents state that they are familiar to the website and agree that the website is easy to use. In order to identify an error, we have asked the respondent, and the result shows there are 80% of the respondents claim that this website does not have any error when they use it. 22% of them state that there are some things missing on our website. They state that our website need to provide more picture or video and use more attractive color.
Page is a page from a website where a web document can be accessed. This website has the concept of an informative that discusses elderly care in Islamic point of view. With the theme of white and black will make this website look interesting and simple for reader to see and use it. In addition, by using picture of an elderly woman and man as well as a child kissing the woman, show to the reader to more easily understand the content described in this website to describe the elderly. At the bottom of this website, the user can use the search box to search for content on this website. Example, we type abuse and search. So the website will provide the information that we are looking for quickly and faster. Quranic and Hadith words that relate with elderly care. Quranic and Hadith words. The importance of this informative website is that it can be as the platform to create an awareness to the user and give motivation about the importance of elderly care on our life. Islam is the religion that pays special attention to the elderly. It can be proved by the verse from Quranic and Hadith that talk about the importance of elderly care and the extent of one's role in caring for the elderly. For example, from Al-Quran, verse Be kind to parents, Surah Al-Isra, verse 23. Explanation: kindness toward parents is mentioned along with belief in one God. This verse reflects the compassion, respect and sense of responsibility that Islam requires the believer to have toward their parent. Our role toward the old is one of service and when they reach this tender age. Second, pray for parents, Surah Ibrahim, verse 41. Explanation: always ask forgiveness from God for the mistake we make and also ask for forgiveness from God for both our parents and pray for all believers on the day when human beings rise to be accounted for and rewarded. From Hadith, first, priority for the elderly. Explanation: one of the priorities for the elderly which is to its sustenance and add longevity. The meaning of longevity here is the remnant of our age to be given courage by God. Second, importance of friendship with parents. Explanation: in a relationship, what must be prioritized is hospitality to parents before anyone else. Many of our relations often visit their parents but rarely visit their own parents.
That's all from us. Thank you.